Hello children, we have completed some of the grammar topics, question answers, vocabulary part, fill in the blanks. These we have completed from our lesson, that is Tenali Raman and Three Dogs. Right children? Now we are going to learn grammar part. So what do we have in the grammar in this lesson? So it's a time to learn, that is the use of V1. So in the last class only we got it V1, V2, V3, right? So V1. So where can we use V1? That we can use it. Now learn it today. So V1 especially simple present tense also we say. But for which subjects we use V1, that we can see. So first see we use V1 for the subjects of I, you, we and they. So for these subjects and other plural subjects also, and all other plural subjects. Plural subjects means what here? So generally here V1 SRES we say. V1 is used for the plural subjects, but I also included. You, it's a plural subject. Maybe one or more than one also we take it. You as plural only. We, yes, all of us. They, all of them. So more than one. And I is one also we take it to V1 only, not of V1 SRES. And other plural subjects means what? More than one person names, brothers, sisters, uncles, teachers, students, all these are plural subjects only. Na? If we get that kind of subject, then we should write V1 only there. Okay. And next, where can we use V1 SRES? V1 SRES, that means for the V1 word, SRES we use it. For which S, for which ES, I'll tell you next. So, SRES we add it. For which subjects we can write it? He, she, it. So, for these subjects and all other singular subjects. All other singular subjects also we use V1 only, all other singular subjects. So what are these singular subjects, Nana? All other means your name. Only one member, your name or your mother name or father, teacher, student, like this only one. More than one means it's a plural, only one means singular. So according to that here we should use V1 SRES. V1 SRES. So now I'll tell you. So first one, suppose tables point of view they have given, I'll explaining, see this one. Table 1 if we take it, I and you if you get it. So what is the verb we get it? V1 form what we use it. And another one, complement what we get it. Complement what we get it. So here they have given, according to that I am telling, see this one. So first I if we get it, I go to school daily. I go to school daily. So this is complement, Nana. This is not object. Generally sentence means subject, verb and object. But this is not object. Okay, I'll tell you what is object also, but first you see. So I or you subject if we get it, we should write V1 compulsory, and here complement means we can write to go to school daily. And the next one, you. So by using the you, what can we write? You drink milk at night. You drink milk at night. This is also not of, this is also complementary, this is not the object. Okay, so like this is the first table 1. According to that they have given, this is the table 1 by using the I and you subjects. I, you subjects. But now here if we see, these are singular and plural both we get it. Now plural subject if we go, remaining plural subjects. Second table if we take it, plural subject if we have, then we get V1 form only, and here complement we can write it. So what are these plural subject? See this one. So for this I am giving here in the second table plural subject if we take it we. So what are the plural subjects? We and you, they. These three are plural subjects. So some I told you all other plural subjects means girls, boys, teachers, students, parents, people, like this you can write. So now I am taking boys. So like this if we get the plural subjects, we should write verb only V1 form. So what is this? We go to school daily. We go to school daily. So here I and we is there. I go to school daily. We if we get also go to school daily. And they. So they if we get what can we write? They drink milk at night. You drink milk at night. They drink milk at night. See now. So milk at night. So for which you can write it here. I if we get is also same. Here you can write I go to school daily. You go to school daily. We go to school daily. They go to school daily. Boys go to school daily. So for all we use only V1. Same. I drink milk at night. You drink milk at night. So we drink milk at night. They drink milk at night. Boys drink milk at night. So for all we get the V1 form of the verb only. And boys fly kites. So same, this we can apply for all the subjects also. I fly kites, you fly kites, we fly kites, they fly kites and boys fly kites. So for all these subjects, we get only V1 form of the verb only. So this is the second table ma. So V1 form of the verb only we get it here. So V1 form only we should write it for all these subjects. So I, you if we get it, or we, they and any other plural subject if we get verb only V1 form. So for which we get V1 SRES, he, she, it or any singular name. Okay. So let's see that third table how we get it SRES. So did you understand this one first? Okay, very good. Let's see the third table. See children, so third table what do we have here? Table 3. So what is the third table we have? By taking the singular subjects. Till now we have taken plural subjects, but now if we take singular subject, then what do we get it? V1 SRES form we get it. For the V1 form either S or ES we should write it, and complement of the verb as usual. Complement of the verb we should write it. Complement as usual we should write it. So what is that? So what have you written? I, we, you have written the same sentence, you take it. Here he. So he, I go to school daily. So she goes to school. He goes. So for the go we should add ES will add it. So she goes to school daily. V1 SRES we should write Nana. So if we get singular subject, then the verb we get SRES form. If we get plural subject, then we should write only V1 form. Okay children. So now see this one. Suppose any name if we take it. Misha. Any name if you take it. So Misha drinks milk at night. Misha drinks. So for the plural subjects we get only drink. So here Misha is only one girl. So that's why Misha drinks milk at night. Milk at night. So like this we should write it. Understood this one? And she. So she if we get it what should we write? SRES form only. So she helps the poor. She helps the poor. Okay children. And see the next one amma, what do we have? He flies kites. He flies kites. So see all these sentences once with all the subjects. How to write it? Once if you see. First one, he, she, it. If we get SRES form of the verb, we get it. So in the there we wrote I go to school daily. We go to school daily. He goes to school daily. She goes to school daily. We Misha goes to school daily, like this. And same, Misha drinks milk at night. He drinks milk at night. She drinks milk at night. They drink milk at night. Okay, children. Same way, she helps the poor. He helps the poor. Misha helps the poor. They help the poor. They help. We help the poor. I help the poor. You help the poor. Okay, understood this, children? So for these subjects, we should write SRES form of the verb, and remaining subjects we should write only V1 form of the verb, Nana. And he flies kites. She flies kites. Ramu flies kites. They fly kites. You fly kites. I fly kites. Okay, like this. We fly kites. Like this, based on the sentence here, subject. Based on subject, these SRES are only V1 form. We get it. Understood this, children? So let's discuss how do we get V1 SRES form. For which verbs we get SRES? How do we get it? What are those verbs? We can see that. So let's see that one. I think all of you understood this one. So then how do we get, for which verbs we get yes, for which verbs we get SES, then we can find it some of the verbs. See this. See, children, so most of the verbs, if you see, most of the verbs they have yes. So verbs with yes, only yes, for in the singular form. In the singular form. So what are those? Singular form means here singular subject. So that we can write it. Here you may get one more doubt, children. So how can we take it? So this is, suppose call. For this yes it is added means calls. So here you may get one more doubt. How can we take it? It is a noun or verb. Noun or verb. Okay, children, I'll give this one. Very important, ma. Always you confuse about it in the next classes also. Every time you get. So how can we find it? Difference between noun and verb. Because singulars, plurals we have na. So those are nouns. But these SRES is there here also. Singular, plural, how can we write it? By adding the, yes, suppose if we take pen. Pen is there. So plural form, what is this? Pens. So book. For this plural form we get it books. Right. So by adding the yes or yes, we are getting plural form it is. And here we are telling go, goes. This is the verb we are telling. Call, calls. This is the verb we are telling. So how can we find it? Whether these are the nouns or verbs. That is also important, na? How can we find it? Simple logic. Suppose if it is a noun means in the plural form, if we get plural form, both yes, but here go, goes, is it plural form? Go, goes, plural form, do we get it? Not at all. Call, calls, so number of we get it? No. So that's why here these we cannot say in the number 1, 2, 3 like this plural form. Even if we have SRES, but not of the plural form means those are called verbs. Those are called verbs. By writing the SRES, if we are getting singular plural means those are called nouns, children. Very important one. All the people confuse about it. How can we find whether those are nouns or verbs? Both we get SRES form of the words. But that is a noun or verb. How can we find it? Means simple logic. Apply if we are writing the plural form, plural number, SRES for that. Plural if we get, that is called noun. If you are not getting plural, that is called verb only. That is called verb. Okay, children. So that you should remember. And now see some of the words how we get it. Look. look. So what we can get it by adding the s only, we get it looks. So this is not plural form. For the sentence we get for v1 sres means we get yes only we should add. Here I am telling for the verb yes we can add, or es, or how do we get es or es. So some of the verbs, if you see here, work, if we take it, work we get added just yes only, those are works. Okay, and next one play. Play, if we take it, for this also we should add only yes, plays. Okay, and next one open. Open, for this also we add only yes, opens. So like this, bring. Bring, for this we should add yes only, then we get brings for the singular subject. For the singular subject we get v1 sres like this. Suppose tell, if we take it, for this also yes only it adds, and then it becomes tells. Buy, buys. So yes only will add buys. Sell, sells. So these are all singular verbs, singular subject verbs by adding the s. Like this we have pay, pays, say, says, walk, walks, break, breaks, dig, digs. Like this the total by adding the only s. Only yes. So for some words we can add es form, some words we can add es. So what kind of words those are? So the verbs with the es form. The verbs with es to the singular form. To the singular form. To the singular form. That I am telling, see these children. Verbs we add es to the singular form. That we can see. What are those we can see here? Suppose see, that is finish. F-I-N-I-S-H. Finish, for this we can add yes, es only. Then it becomes finishes. Yes, very good. You got just now go, then we should add it goes only. Right, go, goes. And next, touch. Touch. For this we should add es only, then it becomes touches. And reach. For this we get es form, then it becomes reaches. So for the v1, for the singular subjects, v1 form we write yes or es, s or es. Some verbs we get yes, and some verbs we should add es. So what are the verbs? We get mainly es. Suppose teach, if we take it. Teach, for this we add it. Teaches means es we get it. Reach, teach, push, 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 for this we get es form, pushes. And do we add it es only, then it becomes does, then it becomes does. And another one, catch, catch, we get, for this also we should add es only to get catches. Okay, so for all these verbs we should add es. So without change of any word, without missing any letter, directly we have added es. Here yes, here es. But some words miss some letter and add new letter also. That kind of verbs now we can see. So understood all of you this? Just for the s or es, for the v1, yes, es. How do we get it? This we have seen. So here no change for the word by adding the s or es in the spelling. But some verbs, if we see, the letter one miss and a new letter will add for adding the s or es. What kind of those words? Let's see that one. See children, in the some verbs, if a verb verb ended with y, so then it changes to, so the y of the following verbs, the y of the following verbs changes into, ies, changes into IES nana. So why if we get some of the verbs, not always. So IES, that we should add to get the singular form of the verb. So in the singular form of the verb, singular form we call it, singular form of the verb. So that means for the singular subjects we are writing this verb, no? That's why we call it singular form of the verb. So what are those words? Suppose if you see carry, carry. So for this what we should add? Yes or es. So here we get it. To add es means then it y changes to ies. So then carries. Carry. So y changes to I. So then we can add es to this. So and cry. CRY cry. So cry, for this es should add it means what it becomes? Cries. Spelling CRIES. 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 And dry. Dry. So for this es if we add it then it becomes dries. It is DRIES, not YES. Dries. 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 Next try. TRY try. So then for this es to add it means TRIES tries, we get it. Y is omitting and we get I instead of Y while we are writing a singular verb. Okay, singular form of the verb. Okay, children. So next one, reply. REPLY, reply. For this es is added means then it becomes the spelling replies. Spelling REPLIES. Supply. SUPPLY, supply. For this to add es means then it becomes supplies. 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 Like this y will be omitted and then in that place we get I. Then only we get the singular form of the verb, children. So apply. Apply. APPLY, apply. For this es form should write it means applies. APPLIES, applies. Okay. And marry. MARRY, marry. For this es is added means marries. MARRIES, marries. Okay, children. So like this, even your favorite word fly. So what did we write in the sentence just before? So flies. Flies spelling what is that? FLIES. Fly when you write y you are writing, but flies means IES. Why? Because when we write the singular form of the verb, why singular form of the verb? Subject is singular. That's why singular form of the verb we call it. So for the subject singular we should add S or ES. So for this when it is added ES, Y omitted and in that place we get I here. In the place of Y we get I in the spelling. So then it becomes the singular form of the verb. Understood these children? So like this we will get the singular form of the verbs by adding the S and by adding the ES. And some of the verbs, especially most of the verbs, but not all, but most of the verbs ended with Y to get the singular form of the verb by adding ES. Then the Y omits and we get I in that. But why not all means some of the verbs directly we write it. Suppose play is there, play. So play means plays. PLAYS, S only we add it, not ES there. So that's why there no change in the spelling. So this kind of words, some of the words only will change. Okay, Nana? These we should follow like that only in the spellings. So these are the verbs we get generally, how will they change for the singular form. So now let's see these words in the sentences. How to write it based on the subject. So singular form of the verb RV1, RV1 SRES form. How to write it in the examples we can see. So let's see the examples. See children, so these are the examples we have that what is that? Use V1S or V1SES. So for the verb yes or es, form of the verbs in the brackets. So here they have given. So according to this yes or es form we should write. Of course here they have given all singular subjects only. Singular subject means we get V1 yes or V1 es, that we get it. So now where do we get es form? V1s, and where do we get V1 plus es? That we should see. See the first sentence, Nana. He dash eat his breakfast at 8 o'clock. Yes, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. You eat a breakfast at 8 o'clock. He, yes, S or es. So for the eat, what do we get? S or es? What do we get? Eat, we get es only. Eats. So only yes. So he eats his breakfast at 8 o'clock. He eats his breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, Nana. Same way, tell me the answers. All of you know, tell me the answers. She dash leave for school at 8:30. She, what do we get? Leaves. Leaves spelling. Already E is there. So then we should adjust S on. So what do we get? Leaves. Leaves. She leaves school for school at 8:30. And next one, she dash reach school by 9 o'clock. So what we should get? Reaches. So what we should add to get the reaches? Yes or es? Very good. Es. So she reaches school by 9 o'clock. And see the next one, John dash sit on the front bench. So John sit or sits? Sits, because John is singular verb. So sits spelling what? S-I-T, yes or yes? Very good. Yes only. So then we should write it John sits. We should write John sits. Next one, Misha dash write in her notebook. Yes, writes. Writes means what we should write? W-R-I-T-E-S. So then already E is there, then we should adjust S only. And so Misha writes in her notebook. Next one, my friend dash help me. So for help, helps, spelling H-E-L-P-S. So just S only, not E-S. Helps. My friend helps me, because here it is singular. So then we should write V1S or V1ES. So now mother dash cook food for us. Yes, she cooks. Mother cooks. Spelling C-O-O-K. Yes, very good. Not ES here, S only. Cooks. So food for us. Next one. This boy dash waste his time. So he wastes. So this boy wastes. W-A-S-T-E-S. Already E is there. Then we should add just S only. Again not ES. Only S we should add it. Okay children. So like this we should see for the singular subjects we should write V1S or V1ES form. So the verbs for which we get S, for which we get ES, for the spelling you should check it. Okay children, understood this? So these are very simple and easy. Gradually if we learn in the future, complete tenses when you get, those will be very helpful and easy to you. Okay, so learn this, write all these answers.